जहानाबाद संभाग की खिलाड़ी जिनका प्रतिनिधित्व कर रहे हैं हिरम और नियति। हिरम जिन्होंने केवीएस नेशनल में द्वितीय स्थान प्राप्त किया और नियति जिन्होंने फर्स्ट पोजीशन नेशनल में प्राप्त किया। अगला दल है बेंगलुरु। इस संभाग का प्रतिनिधित्व कर रहे हैं दिनेश और धृति। दिनेश जो कि रीजनल लेवल विनर है और धृति जो कि रीजनल लेवल सेकंड स्थान प्राप्त किया। अगला दल भोपाल जिनकी टुकड़ी में मयंक पाटिल और माहिर प्रतिनिधित्व कर रहे हैं।
Here comes the proud contingent of Bhubaneswar region with the flag holder Atman Das, regional level second position, and Kiran Jyoti Nayak, regional level.
And the spirit of doing wonders.
All flag bar.
KVS National Table Tennis Tournament. In loyal competition, respecting the rules and regulations which govern them, and desirous of participating in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our region and glory of sports. Jai Hind.
From Chennai Region gets the torch lit by the chief guest of the day, the flame of positivity. Anushka participated in National 2024 from Chennai Region. With her confident steps, passes it to Master Pawan, SJF player from Mumbai region. Master Pawan, SJF player, national player winner from Mumbai region, passion and perseverance, and is then entrusted, the torch is entrusted to Master Rupomit from Kolkata region. Rupomit, an SDFI player, continues with the torch with his inspiring relay, exhibiting the endurance of spirit of competition, and hands over the torch to Kumari S. Harshini of Chennai region. M. Harshini, 3 times winners of national game from Chennai region, hands over the torch to Master J. Joshua. Fostering global friendship and unity, and is getting carried to the cauldron to ignite the Olympic flame. The torch represents human resilience, innovation, and cultural heritage. Each torch carries the fire but also tells the story of achievement and unity. The flame of Olympic was lit, and it is excellent, inspired athletes, officials, and
same way a boys take an about turn, go that side, to my left. Move fast, go in a single.
Buddy and sing with me. Dance
Chennai